What's up guys, jtmoffroad here. Today I gotta change out some tie rod boots on the Jeep. Just look at them. I guess we'll see how robust this new camera is. That's the first time I dropped it. Anyway, I'm really bad when it comes to taking tie rods off to get things done. I always split the boots somehow. Picked up some new boots. Got them at Simpson Family Jeeps. Polyurethane. So we'll go ahead and take the old ones off, switch these ones in real quick. Hopefully it goes pretty fast. Looks like the 35s rub a little bit. Well, I'm an idiot. Completely forgot to video me pressing that all in. But it's on. Use the C-clamp to get this over this little hump. And then had to wiggle this around for this to set right. So I've never actually replaced a tie rod boot before. And I guess we'll see how this does. Got this one done. On to the next one. So that made a little more sense. Just pressing that down, I actually just went right over. Alright guys, well that's a wrap on tie rod and boots. Yeah, tie rod and boots. Tie rod boots. Tie rod and boots. Tie rod and boots. Nope, not a fan of that. Too many double chins being shown from the table there. Yeah, that's a no-go. So, tie rod and boots are done. Those went without a problem, everything went smoothly. I'd say that's it for this video. That's all wrapped up. Get engaged. I want you guys to comment, like the video, dislike it, tell me what you don't like. Any comments are appreciated, or any feedback. Thanks again guys, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video guys. Be sure to like it, tell me what you think in the comments. Click subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming projects and wheeling trips. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook to catch posts of videos in the making. See you next time.